Alright, here is my first attempt at circuit bending, and it's a super old ambulance that the dogs used to love because it did this. So that's what it normally sounds like. Here's all the other buttons. Pretty obnoxious, right? Here's the longest one. Okay, but I added button here, turn lights on, button here, turn this side lights on. I put green headlights in it. I put a potentiometer right here in the door, and I put a button here to activate the circuit bent part of it, and then I put a button here to make it so the audio comes out of this. Put a jack right there. So, all right, and it sounds like this when you mess around with it. Push the button and turn the knob. And what gets really exciting is when you turn the speaker on, and this button is a little sticky, so I have to figure out how to make it not sticky. Sounds pretty sweet. You hold them both down and it stops. So that's that.